Everything for holding. Wait, I'm at the bank with Pear and Usagi. What did I get? I got some Mexican food, Italian food, and some Thanksgiving food. You got water, Dr. Pepper, water, and some Kool-Aid. I got Red Bull, 8 Shock, and Monster Energy. Okay, I'll be home soon. Okay, come on, Usagi, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, I got the money. Let's go home. Okay, let's find the exit. Oh, crap. Snowstorm's about to hit the city. You got your jacket, Usagi?
Yep.
Okay, it's gonna get dangerous. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Alright, let's go. Oh.
The snow is coming down hard.
Stay still. We're about to get off the highway. Oh, crap.
Where go on a crush?
Hang on. Usagi, are you okay?
Ouch, I don't think so.
Oh, crap. Your leg's broken.
I'll be fine.
You stay still, Usagi. I'm gonna call Mater to tow Orange's car and get it to a repair place. I'm gonna try to contact Jenny in order to see if she can pick us up.
Jenny Wakeman here.
Hey, Jenny, we need your help.
Orange, is that you?
Yeah, it is. Look, we need your help.
What was that? I can't hear you because of the storm.
I said that. Dang.
I said, man, I really need to buy Jenny a Galaxy phone.
Try to call someone else.
This is willpower. Make sure this is about the 2024 IndyCar schedule. Well, I need your help. Oh, hey, Orange. What do you need help with? Me, Usagi, and Pear crashed in a snowstorm. Can you need a location where we can meet? Meet me at Indianapolis. I'll take you three back to the kitchen and Usagi back to her house in the morning. Thanks, Will. You're the best. Okay, I called Mate or see if he can come to the repair place and fix the car. Okay, we need to head to Indianapolis to meet up with Will so he can pick us up. How far away is it? Like 5 miles.
That's 1.5 hours.
Don't worry, Usagi. If we don't get stuck, we'll be there just in time. Okay, but how will Usagi walk if her leg is injured? I'll carry her on the way with my non-existent hands. Alright, make sure you have your jackets on. It's gonna get really cold. Golly, it's snowing hard. Just hang on tight. The snow is gonna take us on.
I'm freezing.
Hang on tight, Usagi. Whoa. Usagi, she laid it into the scrapyard. Okay, let's get Usagi. Where could she be?
Ouch.
Wait, that Usagi? Wait, that you might be. Oh, are you okay, Usagi?
I don't think so.
This isn't good. Your face is bleeding. Hang on, we're getting out of here. We should head to the nearest gas station so we can get some medic. This should be good. They'll take you to the hospital.
Okay.
The wind is getting a bit weak, so we're good for now.
Hey, what is the worst thing that happened in your life?
Worst thing that he is having a nightmare about about getting eliminated. It didn't happen. What about you, Usagi?
Mine was saving the town from Darth Vader. Minako almost got killed and the boys bullying me because I'm on Team RJ. Saved the town from Darth Vader.
Don't feel bad. We have had the same experiences from before. They're like 14 years ago. People hated me for being annoying. I am. So I am. Do okay, be yourself. Of Usagi. It doesn't matter what those mean teenagers say about you. All you had to do is be.
Thanks, or
No problem. When he made it, that's good. Huh? Oh, you're here. It's about time you showed up. Sorry, we ran into some issues. Tell me about it. What happened to Yusuki? She got blown away and hit her head really hard. Yeah, we're sending her to the hospital tomorrow. Hopefully she'll be better tomorrow after what you three have been through. Yeah, there's no way we're ever doing this again.